Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Biasi. The heating's working, but the hot water isn't. So they've asked me to have a look at it, diagnose it, and hopefully repair it for them. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm going to diagnose it and repair it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's a short video anyway. Now I've opened up the full front case and I just had a look at the micro switch and the turbine. The micro switch has got some water in it, and the water has been leaking from the back of the boiler, and it's not from the boiler, it's from the ceiling. The ceiling is leaking to the back of the boiler, and it's been coming down onto the switch. So that's kind of messed up the circuitry on that switch. There's a circuit on it, there's a microchip on it. So that's messed that up. So what we're going to do is we're going to change that microchip. We're going to tell the landlord that the ceiling is leaking and he needs to get that repaired because it's been raining for the last 2 or 3 days, but it's not raining anymore. So hopefully he'll get that sorted, and for today we're just going to sort this mic switch out, put a new one in, and hopefully that will sort the boiler out. Now guys, if you've got a boiler broken down in Birmingham or Solihull or the surrounding area, we cover these areas. We repair all your favorite boilers from baxi, Biasi, wocesterbosch, and many more, domestic and commercial, most cases on the same day or the next day. So if your boiler is broken down, don't worry, give us a call and we'll sort it out for you. We also do landlord gas certificates, and we repair Gledhill water heaters too. So if you need our services, we do look forward to hearing from you. Right, I've put the new domestic hot water switch in. We're just testing it out. Unfortunately, I didn't have one in my car. I had to go down the road and just pick one up. Now I've got the tap open, the burner is ignited, and we're going to go back to the tap and see if he's heating up the water. And if he is, that's great. That's sorted the problem out. Now it's up to the landlord to get that ceiling sorted. Right guys, that's all working fine. That's the ceiling, that's the problem. So it's water's leaking out the back of it and just dripping down onto the switch. Now that's up to the landlord to get that sorted out in his own convenient time. And if he doesn't get it sorted out, I'll be coming back and sorting this boiler out again. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, keep smiling, stay positive. Hopefully that'll keep you happy.
Guys, it's all sorted now. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.